The first part of the conference, we are going to. Okay, first of all, this conference is a conference. It actually is the final conference of the EU-GUGLE project. The EU-GUGLE project is a European-funded project funded by the FP7 program, which is coming to the end now after 6 years of the project, and it's a project about energy retrofitting of districts. So within the EU-GUGLE project, we have been working in the energy retrofitting of 6 districts in 6 European cities, namely Sestao in Spain, Milan in Italy, Vienna, Bratislava, Aachen in Germany, and Tampere in Finland. So after 6 years, we came to the end. The project will end in March next year. So we are about to finish. And one of the things that we wanted to do, and we had to do, is this final event, a little bit showing what we have learned in these 6 years of the project. But it is not an event, it is not a conference explaining the EU-GUGLE project. It will be some speakers presenting some of the pilots of the EU-GUGLE project, but it is not a EU-GUGLE event. It's an event as a conference, a workshop about urban regeneration projects, and in which we will try to provide some inputs about what we learned after 6 years of project. So in the first part of the event, before the coffee break, we will have the vision from the European Commission, which Phelim O'Connor, which is the project officer of the EU-GUGLE project, from the European Commission, will give us his vision from the Commission about the role of the cities in the heart of the energy transition. Then Francisco Javier Martín Ramiro from the Ministry of Civil Works, Housing and Land, the Director General of Architecture, Housing and Land, will give us also his vision about the sustainable urban developments in Spain policies, which is the policies that they have been developing in Spain, focusing in sustainable urban development. And finally, the president, the dean of the Architects Association of Spain, of Madrid, sorry, in which we are in his venue, José María Azquiaga, he's a part of the dean, a part of being the dean of the Architects Association. He's a very well-known urban planner, and will give us his vision about which are the new challenges and objectives for strategic urban planning. I think this is, for the time being, all from my side. I will give the floor to Phelim. So Phelim is the project officer of the Unit of New Energy Technologies, Innovation and Clean Coal from the DG Energy of the European Commission. So Phelim, the floor is yours.